Good afternoon, everyone. This is Henry, and as we get into tonight's video newsletter, you guys know that I like keeping politics out of my analysis as much as humanly possible, but it's simply impossible to ignore that the state of the market is not currently driven by tariffs and the tweets that these tariff policies seem to be resolving around. So I just really could not believe my eyes today when I saw this, much earlier in the session. And this Bloomberg guy is a great resource for news and everything. Again, this is a little weird to me because this is definitely what was hitting the wire, earlier in the morning. Going back to the typical Trump account, I didn't see this tweet, but be that as it may, this is something that came across, and I'm just sitting there thinking, is this really, who's going to follow advice like that, right? Market's been a little tumultuous, but all the same, that tweet comes out, and then just a little bit later, right, lots of different tweets. So raising the China tariff to 125%, but then also authorizing a 90-day pause. So it's just all of this that's hitting the wire in a really crazy way. And it goes to show, I look at this again saying, is that legal? But, if that's going to be what helps drive the market this year, I at least want to be in tune with it. I want to keep it in mind. And I just really thought that was incredible thing to see today. So outside of that, there were several other records that the market set today. We're going to be getting into that in the premium video newsletter. As far as SPX is concerned, seeing what happened today and noting the nature of the environment, it's hard for me to tell you what tomorrow will bring. I would think any pullback that holds 53.24, I know that sounds wild to give you because it's such an incredible range. Maybe the pullback will be more modest, but anything above that 53.24, I believe is going to be targeting 5,500, and that may work for some vertical spreads. Maybe we can find some butterflies in there as we get into Thursday and Friday. But again, just recapping some really crazy tweets that drove historic price action today. A couple quick strategies that we might see for Thursday and Friday. And while I may not know what the next move holds, I will tell you that this guy is pretty good at figuring it out. So John, Brent, and myself are going to be doing a little bit of a webinar tonight. Again, this is April 9th at 7 p.m. Central. So I just wanted to make sure that you are aware. If you would like to join, you can just go to your browser and type in simplertrading.com/edge. And I think you're going to come away with some great insights and really good information about how options are affecting the current environment. And again, I believe it'll be a great use of your time. So y'all have a great rest of your night, and I hope to see you in the chat rooms tomorrow. Hey traders, this is Henry with simplertrading.com. I wanted to thank you for watching today's video. I hope you found it helpful. And if so, be sure to click the like and subscribe buttons down below. If you would like to also see me putting these ideas into action and trading my own account live in front of you, be sure to sign up at simplertrading.com, and I hope to see you in the chat room sometime soon.